I bought this frame at the dollar store. So now what we're gonna do is glam it up and make it really special. It's a great gift for, you know, your mom or your grandma. I'm gonna take my Bowdabra bow wire, fold it in half, and lay it down into my Bowdabra. And then I'm going to take my netting and I'm just gonna scrunch it into my Bowdabra. And I'm just centering it in the Bowdabra, scrunching it down. And then I'm going to take my ribbon and I'm gonna twist and fold it back and forth. And I'm just twisting it because I think it gives it a little bit more shape. And then I'm gonna just push that down in there. And then I'm going to just take these beads and just fold the beads in almost like they're a bow into the Bowdabra. And take my wand and just scrunch it down into here. And take my Bowdabra bow wire, and again, I'm just gonna pull it through my slip knot, hold the bow down, hold this tight while it's still in the Bowdabra, separate my ends, and bring them around to the back, and tie it off. I love the bow wire because even though it's a wire and it's really strong, I can tie a knot with it, so I'm not having to use my needle nose pliers with floral wire. So I'm just gonna clip the ends here. And take my frame. Now obviously this is the picture that came with the frame, so it'd be really cool if you have a family reunion to take a picture of everybody and put that in the frame, and then it makes a great gift, or you could even keep it for yourself. So take my glue gun and back and glue this onto the frame, and you have a beautiful frame.